Yeah, it is. We didn't do nothing to it. Whoa! There you go. There you go. Yeah, don't go to leave. It's a deep right, you're all right. Okay, take your time, take your time. Take your time. There you go. Oh man, you did that hill climb. Whoa, hey, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Yeah. Calm down. Out there. There you go, quick. Oh, they're over there. Stay up here. Right here. My way. See me? See me? On my line.
Poor Mary. There's fucking fence up there.
Oh,
My
shit.
back tire got like stuck on it.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I didn't even see it. Oh, shit. Go back up the mountain. Oh, just go roll over it, babe. He's holding it down for you. Just roll over it. Just don't go too fast. That way, if it does get caught, he doesn't get slashed. There you go. You're good. Go across the top. Go across the log. Hop the log. You got it. Good job, baby. Spoke too soon. Oh, you already did this. No, we went the other way. Yeah. Brake, brake, brake. Drag it. Take your time. Take your time. Don't lock up. Don't go too fast. Perfect. Oh, perfect. You can actually turn it off. Turn it off. Turn the bike off. There you go. Now pull the clutch in now. Pull the clutch in. And use the clutch too and the brake.
Okay, with you talking, you're fucking me all up, baby. Hold on a second. I'm going sideways.
Sorry. Get your front wheel in there. Sure enough to happen.
You probably pulled the clutch, baby. Oh my god, fuck to me.
All right, then let it roll. Come on, let's go.
Hey.
Yep, turn it up. Yeah.
That's the scariest one, I promise. That was.
there's a main trail up there. Once you get all the way up to the top, there's another main trail.
Oh, there is a main
Yeah.
trail?
I haven't done it either. If you want to try it, I'll do it.
It's
That side that he just went and then went uncurved, that looks less.
yeah. Hey, listen, try it.
Right.
I'll follow you behind you, and if you fall, we'll get it back together because it's not that steep here.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I'm not gonna go up that. I was gonna go up that way where Chris just went.
Do it that way. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah.
Where?
What the fuck are those signs for, huh? 3?
Oh God, wait a minute. Are they purple?
No.
Are they no trespassing?
No.
I don't know, but they've been up here a million times, so it's not.
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely a fucking line.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's been rutted out already.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he goes up, down, and comes back down this way. Look at that.
Okay, ask him if it was, hey, Chris, is it less, straight up and down that way?
What's that?
If we went that way, is it straight more, is it less straight up and down?
Would it be easier for her?
Yeah, probably.
I don't think I can do this.
She wants to try it.
I think you could do it.
Okay.
Do you think that side would be easier, though, the way you just went?
Yeah, there's a couple rocks, but nothing crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just keep your momentum.
I'll try to follow him this way, too. I'm just going to follow.
All right.
See how
I'll follow you.
Okay.
That's the only bad thing about following it. Just make sure you keep your momentum.